What if the biggest mistake investors make with growth investing isn't choosing the wrong ETF, but giving up before compound growth has enough time to work? Consider this. Investing $1,500 per month and earning a hypothetical 10% average annual return could grow to roughly $1.14 million over 20 years. That doesn't mean SCHG will deliver 10%, and it certainly doesn't guarantee $1 million portfolio. But it reveals something powerful. The strategy may matter more than the starting amount. Today, we're breaking down the SCHG strategy that could potentially help long-term investors build serious wealth, and the part most people overlook. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice or a guarantee of investment returns. If you enjoy practical ETF analysis like this, hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Literacy Lab, and share this video with someone who is trying to build long-term wealth. What makes SCHG different? SCHG, the Schwab US Large Cap Growth ETF, is designed to track the Dow Jones US Large Cap Growth Total Stock Market Index. And here's one reason I find SCHG particularly interesting. The cost is extremely low. As of July 2026, SCHG has a net expense ratio of just 0.04%. That means an investor with $100,000 invested would pay roughly $40 per year in fund expenses, before considering the effects of market performance. But low fees alone don't make an ETF a millionaire maker. The real story is what SCHG gives you exposure to. As of late July 2026, its largest holdings included Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Broadcom, Eli Lilly, Meta, and AMD. So you're not betting everything on one company. You're buying a portfolio of large US growth companies in a single ETF. And that leads to the strategy. The strategy isn't buy SCHG and get rich. The strategy is much simpler, and much harder. Buy consistently. Hold for a long time. Reinvest. And avoid constantly changing the plan. Imagine someone invests $1,000 every month. At a hypothetical 10% annual return, the portfolio could grow to approximately 10 years, $205,000 20 years, $759,000 25 years, $1.33 million. Those are illustrations, not predictions. Notice what happens. The investor doesn't reach $1 million because they found a magical stock. They get there because time, contributions, and compounding begin working together. And this is where SCHG becomes interesting. Instead of trying to identify the next Nvidia, the investor owns companies that may continue to innovate, increase earnings, expand markets, and potentially compound capital over many years. The Millionaire strategy has 3 parts. Part 1, automate the contribution. Don't wait until you feel confident about the market. Markets will always give you reasons to wait. Instead, establish a fixed monthly contribution, whether that's $250, $500, $1,000, or more. The goal is to make investing automatic rather than emotional. Part 2, increase the contribution over time. This may actually be more important than trying to squeeze out an extra percentage point of return. Suppose you start with $500 a month. Then, every time your income increases, you increase your investment by $50 or $100. You're essentially giving compound growth a larger engine to work with. Part 3, don't confuse volatility with failure. SCHG is a growth ETF, and growth stocks can experience significant declines. That matters because the psychologically difficult part of this strategy isn't buying SCHG when everything is going up. It's continuing to invest when your account is down 20%, 30%, or potentially more. If you sell during a major decline, you can interrupt the very compounding process you're depending on. But here's the catch. SCHG isn't a complete portfolio for everyone. Its growth focus creates concentration risk. For example, the fund's largest holdings represented substantial portions of assets in July 2026, with Apple and Nvidia each around 10%, followed by Microsoft at roughly 6%. And SCHG's portfolio had a price-to-earnings ratio of about 34.65 as of May 2026, reflecting the premium investors were paying for growth-oriented companies. That's important. You're paying for exposure to businesses that the market expects to continue growing. If expectations fall, the ETF can fall even if the underlying companies remain excellent businesses. That's why I wouldn't describe SCHG as a get-rich-quick ETF. I'd describe it as a long-term compounding tool. And if you want more balance, you could consider pairing a growth-focused ETF with broader market or value-oriented investments, depending on your goals, risk tolerance, and overall portfolio. The real secret. Here's the insight I want you to remember. The Millionaire strategy isn't really about SCHG. It's about creating a system that allows you to keep investing for 20 or 25 years. SCHG is simply one possible vehicle. The biggest advantage isn't predicting which company will dominate the next decade. It's owning a diversified group of established growth companies, keeping costs low, consistently adding capital, reinvesting distributions, and giving the portfolio enough time to compound. Because the first $100,000 can feel painfully slow. But once the portfolio becomes larger, market growth can start contributing more than your paycheck. That's when compounding becomes visible. So, if you're building a long-term portfolio, ask yourself 3 questions. How much can I invest every month? How much can I increase that contribution each year? And most importantly, can I stay invested when the market gets uncomfortable? Those 3 answers may matter far more than trying to predict what SCHG will do next year. If this video gave you a different perspective on SCHG, like the video, subscribe to Financial Literacy Lab, and comment below. Would you rather invest $500, $1,000, or $1,500 per month for the next 20 years? And share this video with someone who is focused on building wealth slowly instead of chasing quick profits. Because becoming a millionaire through investing usually isn't about finding one perfect investment. It's about finding a reasonable strategy, and having the discipline to stick with it long enough for compounding to do the heavy lifting. SCHG may not make you a millionaire. But a disciplined long-term strategy could give you something even more valuable, a realistic path toward building substantial wealth.